Hi and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed step-by-step guide to creating a video in under 8 minutes using iOnce. You found the article or website you want to base your video on. Simply copy the whole page, then go to Chatbot. Type in your prompt. I use write a YouTube video script based on the following article, then write a title, description and comma separated keyword list. Then simply paste the website or article to the end of your prompt. Almost immediately your script will be generated. I usually use the description and the conclusion as my avatar-based intro and outro, so at this point I just copy the rest of the script. I then paste the main body of the video script into a picture. I edit the text into scenes. Choose the text template you want to use. The scenes will be created. Choose your voice and background music. Preview your video. Make any changes you need to. Generate, then download the video. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the intro and outro text. Go to -it.com. Select your avatar. Paste the text into the text-to-speech editor. Choose your voice. Generate and download the video. Go to Video Proc Vlogger. Drop your avatar video into the editor. Drag the video down to the video track. Separate the audio. Drag the video down to the overlay track. Remove the background from the video. Drop the video you made using a picture into the editor. Edit the different pieces of your video together when you're happy with the result, in clicking export and downloading your video. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Please leave any questions in the comments and subscribe for more useful videos.